Hey coders, want to use fancy fonts in your website? Don't know how to use it? I know, and you are also going to know in next 5 minutes. So my name is Abhishek Raj, you are watching BeCoder, and if you are interested in web development, programming skills, then please hit that like and subscribe button. Let's start after this small intro. So first we will create our folder in step 1. So here I will create my folder stylish font, and then you have to open it in your text editor. So I am using VS Code. So here we will open stylish font folder. So in the folder you have to create an index file. Index.html, and second file style.css. So here you can see this much code will be auto completed for you. And now I will write a h3 here, and I will write inside Google font, because the website we are going to use for our font is Google font. And I will write another text here. Now we will link our CSS file, and I will open this in the browser. Step number 2. So what we have to do now, we will go on the website of Google font. So simply type Google font in your browser. Then the first link you see, fonts.google.com, click on that. So you will see here there are many fonts to be used, and these all are free. So I am going to use a cursive one like this to show you. So whichever font you like, just click on that. Then this page will be opened. Then here you can see this, there is an option, select this style. So I will click on this. Then you see here left side there is a link tag generated here, this one. So select this one all and go to your VS Code and just paste inside the head tag. So I'll paste here in head tag. Once more go on that website and copy this font family here below one, and go to your VS Code, and this time we have to go inside styles.css file and write s3 and paste that font family. So here, so you can see in the browser the font is changed of s3, and I will change the font size so you can see it clearly. So this is the font we have used, and before that it was like this. So this is the basically how to use Google font. And if you are confused, that how to use more styles, like one more style if you want to use in your website, then simply go and select your another font. Like here there is many options. This is same font, and this is like thickness like 400, 500. So this is boldness of the font. Select which one you like. So I will select this like 400. Similarly, copy that link and paste in your HTML page inside the head tag. Save it. Again come here and copy this font family, and this time. So now we are styling the paragraph tag. So just write this and save, and I will change the font size to 50 pixel. And if I comment this, so you can see here the font of another text is like this, and if I remove the comment, so it is changed. So this was basically how to use Google font in your website, and I have written S3 and PE to show you how to use multiple fonts in same website. I hope you understand. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you in next video.